Hi, I'm Helen Brown and I'm here at the Carlisle trial site today, where I'm going to give you a bit of an introduction to the site and tell you what we're going to be doing in this year's trials. So the trial site is at my family farm, which is located just outside Carlisle, and it's a predominantly arable farm selling grains to local livestock farmers. The trial site here looks at winter wheat, winter barley and spring barley varieties, and along with seed rate work and looking at various biostimulant and micronutritional products. This year the trials were drilled later than we would have liked. They were in on the 9th of October due to the autumn conditions. The winter was exceptionally wet and certain plots have definitely struggled. The average wheat establishment was around 50%, the conventional barleys had an establishment percentage of around 41%, and the hybrid barleys had the best establishment percentage of 53%. But this has given us a really good opportunity to see which varieties have the best vigour. And if I span around some of the candidate wheat varieties here, you'll see that there's a huge difference between them in their ability to stand the wet winter that we've just had. Our seed rate plots are based on skyscraper winter wheat, and we've drilled these at 100, 300 and 500 seeds per metre squared. The wet winter and later drilling has been really detrimental to establishment rates, and this has led to the lower seed rate plots looking really thin and very stressed. Even the medium seed rate plots is looking quite thin, and these plots have really a reduced yield potential this year. The best plots in the seed rate trials are at 500 seeds per metre squared, and this just really highlights that in a wet winter and a late drilling situation, we need to be increasing our seed rate to account for the loss in establishment. The spring barleys were drilled on the 30th of March into a nice warm and seed bed. We've had really good establishment of the plants, averaging 86%, and the spring barleys are now nicely through. We've got various varieties in the trial, and we're also looking at some different nutritional products, including a phosphite treatment and a biostimulant treatment, to see what effect they have on crop growth and yield. So all the trial plots here have a treated and untreated side. The treated plots are here on the right, and they receive exactly the same fungicide and plant growth regulator programme as the rest of the farm, whilst the untreated plots get absolutely no fungicide and no plant growth regulator. The only thing they get is weed control. This gives us a really good opportunity to find the varieties which have got the best resistance to the key diseases in our area. So just a thanks for listening, and we'll be updating you on how the trial plots are looking throughout the season.